Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Orecchiette Pasta with chicken. Cue the music. Welcome back. Thanks a lot for being here. Like I said, we're going to be making Orecchiette Pasta with chicken. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We're going to start out with 1 pound of cooked Orecchiette Pasta, 1/4 cup of toasted breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 pound of applewood smoked bacon, chopped, 1 shallot minced, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 cup of grape tomatoes cut lengthwise, about 1 cup of basil, 2 cups of cooked sliced chicken meat, and 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. I've done most of the prep. Let's start cooking. All right, like we always do, we've got our mise en place. So I've got all of our prepped items in there. Got the bacon already sliced up. We've got our shallots minced, our garlic minced. Got some olive oil, our breadcrumbs, our tomatoes, the chicken, the basil, and in the back there we've got the shredded Parmesan cheese, and of course a spoon with which to stir it all up. So I'm gonna back out of this, go down and set up our pan, and we'll get cooking. All right, first thing I want to do is we want to toast our breadcrumbs. So get our pan, let's let this get hot. We're not going to add any oil to it. We've got our breadcrumbs right here. When this pan gets hot enough, we'll toast these up. All right, it's probably hot enough. Let's go ahead and add our breadcrumbs in here. You want to just move your pan like this over the heat to toast the breadcrumbs. There's a little bit of color coming on there now, but you just can't throw them in there and leave them. And you roll it and shake. They have turned from white and they got a nice toasty color to them. So I'm going to back out. I got a nice little dish here that's shaped just like how I want to pour it, just like that. Put our pan back on, set our breadcrumbs off to the side. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our bacon right in there. Spread it out so it cooks. It's all medium-low heat, or medium-high heat, I'm sorry, medium-high. I have already cooked the orecchiette, so that's off behind us in the sink in a sieve. All right, we got the bacon cooking. I'm going to go ahead and throw our shallots right in there with them. We continue to stir until this bacon cooks. Make sure to spread it out so it cooks evenly. While this is cooking, we can talk about our pasta. Orecchiette is basically Italian for little ear. This does kind of look like a little ear, but the unique thing about it is when it's in the dish of whatever you're cooking it with and you're eating, this little like scoop up, it's like a little scoop cup, and you'll get some stuff that you're making right in there with it. So it's kind of a cool pasta to play with. I like it in a dish like this because everything we've cut and prepped is basically the same size as this little piece of pasta. So let's set that aside and we'll talk about the chicken we're using. I've got this chicken here. It is pre-cooked. You buy it at Costco. It's sliced thin and it comes in little packs like this, all ready to go. Not sure of the price on it, but it is no antibiotics. It's organic. Very good chicken. So you're all in a hurry. I know everybody's in a hurry nowadays and on a tight budget, and it's just a perfect kind of little chicken to use. I'm not a spokesman for it by any means. I just wanted to point out what it is because it's a really cool chicken to use for all kinds of different applications like salads and what we're doing right here. It's good right out of the box too. So, all right. Bacon's starting to get a little brown on it. I'm going to throw our garlic right in there. Stir that in. Get our chicken. Put that right in there. Oh, it smells fantastic. Get our tomatoes. Once that bacon cooks, this thing flies pretty fast. put our olive oil in there, salt and pepper, our basil leaves, stir it up again. That's beautiful. Then we're just going to put our pasta right in there. Might be too much. Might have to adjust the recipe a little bit. Should have gone about 12 ounces instead of 16. Anyway, just stir this up, turn the heat down. Yeah, let's, I'm going to change the recipe, so make sure you note that in the video. The recipe has been changed, and don't go with the original amount that you were given. Alright, well this is done. I'm going to put a lid on it just to get it completely hot. Then we're going to come back and plate this up, do a photo shoot with some music. Then we're going to come back, we're going to taste this. So, stick around. You can see the pasta on here. Get a little piece of that chicken. Go in for the bite. It's fantastic. All right. Really good. All right, I'm gonna get a little piece of the bacon, a little piece of the chicken, pasta, and the cheese. All right, let's try this bite. First thing I'm thinking is rustic. This has a very rustic taste to it. Olive oil, garlic, shallot, the bacon, and tomatoes. It's a very good blend of flavor. Cheese on it. The tomato adds really a lot to this dish. This is very, very good. One more bite. Whoop. Okay, this is very good. I will save this for later. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Orecchiette with chicken. Very good dish. Recipes over on my website, www.itsonlyfood.biz. www.itsonlyfood.biz. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.